What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. So today we got Blake over here.
What's up, guys?
With his Tundra. Balake.
My name's Blake.
So today I got new upper control arms from Dirtking for my 2018 Tundra. We're gonna do the install right now.
These are badass.
First attempt on putting these upper control arms on, and we'll see how it goes.
We have a very good instruction manual from what we know.
It's really easy.
We don't know. We'll see. You guys are gonna come with us. Does this man want to introduce himself? Hey, thing you do is jack up the truck unless you want to die.
Just go lightly with it.
No, dude, crank it. This is what it looks like before.
I'm just gonna put the jack under the lower arm and just lift it up a little bit so it releases the tension off the bolt. Start with that, and if we need to adjust it more, you can do so as you're going.
As an installer, you're gonna need to remove these plastic pieces with these pins. So we need to access that nut right there. For sure. Well, let's start. So first what he did was remove this nut. It had like a little paper clip looking thing, right? It's right here.
So it says to hit it with a hammer. I'll probably try a mallet first.
Well, I don't have a mallet, so let's keep going at it. Oh, there it was.
Perfect.
Popped right out.
Yep.
It was like,
so we were doing the right thing,
look at
guys.
this fly ass guy.
I'm gonna hit it.
So as you guys see, this is what the uniball is. This is stock. Spins around like that. It's just a ball rather than being a fluid filled pack right now. It's gonna be a huge upgrade.
What's that biggest one?
7/8. That might work actually.
Oh, yep, I think we're good. This is gonna be fucking hard to crank on.
Well, maybe we'll have to do a O'Reilly's trip. Alright, later, dude. Well, we gotta go to O'Reilly's. Dude, we're at O'Reilly's. You should ask a service associate for help. You don't know what you're talking about. Came here for the biggest and the baddest.
Maybe too big though.
No, that's perfect. Go big or go home. Alright, he has chosen his product. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's see if this is gonna do it.
Yeah.
Dude, so you got it.
Nick got it, man.
This is Nick, everybody.
Oh, there we go.
Good job, dude. The man who saved the day. So what are you doing now?
Nothing, dude, nothing. Leave me alone. Just put in some of this super lube on these bushings in between the washers.
Super glue?
No time to throw it on, I guess.
Let's see you use your super lube. Oh, God.
Stop digging around, guys.
Come on, dude. This is about kids are supposed to watch this. You fucking swinging around.
It's rated R now.
All right here next.
Damn, look at that. That looks so good.
Give me one of them.
Dirtking for the win.
Yeah, there we go.
Other side's line now?
Yeah, we're good. There we go. We're all the way through.
Dude, very nice. Congratulations, man.
Thanks, dude. Just got the connection pieces that are gonna go through this uniball. Take them apart.
Dude, come on, hurry up.
What does that even mean?
Culero?
Means beautiful.
Fuck up, chicken.
Hear them saying like bitch ass culero? Like they're kind of saying bitch ass ass.
Bitch, I was gonna say bitch ass ass.
But just bitch ass culero sounds cool.
Oh, God damn fucking skinny ass wrench.
That wrench is gonna snap.
Shut the fuck up, Trigger. I don't need your negativity, fuck. energy going into my wrench. It's already lip dick, alright? It doesn't.
Yes, dude, why aren't your hands strong enough, man? You're single, your hands should be the strongest thing. Those are facts.
Brought to you by Corona.
Dude, are you using a zip tie?
Yeah, dude, it comes like that. Look at that, dude.
Trigger spec. They copied me, bro. Dirt Kings. Bro, what are you doing, man?
Lining up these bolts with a freaking finger turn.
Oh, metal strengthened. Back in the medieval times, Nick was a swordsmith.
Oh, it's straight again.
Round 2. Hey.
Wait.
Breaks breath. Smells like shit.
Anyone's watching
Maybe on
this
the
and
other
you
side.
can send us breath packs.
It's in
Send some for Blake.
a piece of calling me out on the first video. Fuck you guys, man.
Dude, you see that? Blake broke it.
Fuck up.
This is what y'all need if y'all have breath like Blake.
Oh, wow, dude, that's awesome.
Alright, dude, push it out. Just like you got pushed out.
Just like everyone.
Push that shit in!
Oh, I was cut out.
Push my shit out big time, bro.
Blake came out legs first.
As far as my finger will let me.
Dude, your finger ain't no good. Give it some more hours. Nick's pulling nipples off. What are you doing over there, man?
I'm fucking pulling out I'm pulling on a shaft, fool.
Oh! You got your shaft out? Oh my god. Daddy long leg.
Daddy long leg.
Let's go, Blake. Show us the process of assembling your arm.
You gotta make sure you have lube before you start.
Your super lube?
You can always spit.
You don't have to put those little nipple things on this one?
Oh yeah, we do.
What did you say that was used for?
Dessert fitting for grease.
Dude, what is that thing in the red right there, bro? Red rocket?
The anal beads. Comes up for kings.
Your super lube looks very, very nice. Dude, that says driver on it.
Almost looked.
Other side now.
Alright, I hate anymore.
Dirt King Part 2. You guys see? That's what, a spacer that you're using?
Yeah, like a washer spacer.
Push it. Push.
Get the fuck in there.
There, you're good.
Hayden, good job, dude. You did all the work.
Oh yeah, man.
Thanks,
It's finally done. Dude, those look super nice.
Thanks, man.
What's good, guys? Day number 2. Blake took the truck this morning to get it aligned, but we're gonna meet up with him right now and see how it is and talk to you guys there. Oh, look at that. Dude, those look really nice.
Yeah,
compared to what the stock ones are. Happy with your overall?
Yeah, real happy with it. Dirt King's products are real nice, so
yeah, shout out to Dirt King. Alright guys, this concludes this video. If you guys haven't already, please hit the subscribe button down below. This is our first video. We will do many of these more. I collect a bunch of parts for my car. Blake is beginning his build. Just want you guys to be a part of it. Feel free, if you like this content, give it a like, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, reach us on social media. But thank you for watching.